Boys and girls, welcome to another exciting time with phonics, right? Yesterday we started the long vowel sound. And we said, how do we know the difference between the long vowel sound and the short vowel sound? The long vowel sound say its name. It is so boastful that it doesn't want to make the sound. It wants to make and to rather to call its name. Okay? So yesterday I looked at words like male. And here, just a refresher, this is a second vowel, first vowel. We never call the second vowel. So we didn't say I, A. Notice I didn't make a sound. No, A. Ale. Male. Okay? So we're going to continue today with using different pairs. Yesterday we used the pairs of A and I. Today I'm going to use pairs of E and A. E and A. So boys and girls, let's say I chose to use the same letter that we started the word with yesterday, like D. D, E, A, and L. This is the first vowel, boys and girls, the E. Second vowel is the A. Boys and girls, remember, are we going to make the sound for the A? No, we never make the sound for the A because it's number 2. D, say its name. What letter is this? E. D, E, okay. D, D, E, deal. We always skip this one. And that's what makes him so sad. Deal. Deal. He's going to be sad for a long time, boys and girls, because guess what happened? We're never ever going to call his name. Okay, let's look at B, E, A, L. Which one is the first vowel? E, okay. Which one is the second? A. Which one we never ever going to call? The second. Never ever. Not for these pairs. But are we going to say or call the name? Say its name E. E. But Bill. But E. Bill. 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 If I change the L, put an N. Bean. Beep. I need to hear the first vowel say its name. This is how you are going to know when to use a short vowel sound and the long vowel. It makes a difference. Long vowel, say its name. B, E, B, Bill. If I change the B and I write the letter S, and I want to put, let me change it, the N to L for this animal. E, seal, seal. I know some of you know the sight word C-S-E-E, right? But I did say that 2 E's are going to give us a long vowel sound, but we're not focusing on that right now, okay? Seal. It doesn't matter what you do, boys and girls, whether you change the S to an M. When you go to McDonald's, can I have a meal? E. E. Meal. This is just to prepare you boys and girls because you know we do a lot more explicit instruction and practices in the classroom. So boys and girls, today we focused on the pairs of E and A. Again, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. And by saying it does the talking, it means that it say its name. Talking, say its name. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. Let's just quickly review the two pairs that we have looked at over the 2 days. Pairs of A and I. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. A. The second vowel is always sad. Okay? Let's look at the other pair. Today we looked at E and A. Okay? The pairs. This is the first one. This is the second one. First and second. So this one is always going to be sad. Okay? As I said, the rule changes when we get to O and U, but we're not focusing on that right for now. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. Say that again. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. And by saying it does the talking, I mean that it say its name. See you later in class for more explicit instruction and practices.